Welcome to Madeira, the stunning island paradise known for its lush landscapes, dramatic cliffs, and hidden gems. Whether you are here for hiking, nature, or simply soaking in breathtaking views, Madeira offers some of the most beautiful and diverse landscapes in Europe. In today's video, we are going to explore the top 6 must-visit places on this magical island. Let's dive in. First up is Ponta de São Lourenço, Madeira's easternmost point. This nature reserve offers one of the island's most dramatic and unique landscapes. Unlike the lush greenery found in the most parts of Madeira, Ponta de São Lourenço has a more arid volcanic terrain, creating a stark contrast that is both striking and beautiful. The hike here is relatively easy, but offers jaw-dropping views of the cliffs that plunge into the sea, along with panoramic vistas of the island's coastline and nearby islands. The well-marked trails are perfect for anyone wanting to explore this unique environment while getting spectacular views. It's an absolute must for hikers and photographers alike. Next, we are heading to Praia da Ribeira da Janela, a stunning black sand beach near Porto Muniz on the northwest coast of Madeira. Surrounded by towering cliffs, this beach offers a dramatic setting with rugged volcanic rocks that rise from the sea. While swimming is not recommended due to the strong currents, the beach is a great spot for a peaceful escape and to take in the natural beauty of the island. Take a walk along the shoreline and admire the powerful waves crashing against the volcanic rocks, or simply relax and enjoy the serenity of this less visited spot. Praia da Ribeira da Janela offers the perfect balance of isolation and beauty, making it a great place to reconnect with nature. For adventure seekers, Pico Ruivo is the highest peak on Madeira. Standing tall at 1,862 meters above sea level, the hike to the summit is one of the island's most rewarding experiences, offering incredible views of the surrounding mountains, valleys, and coastal areas. There are several routes to reach Pico Ruivo, and while it can be challenging, the effort is worth every step. When you reach the top, you will be rewarded with a 360-degree view of Madeira's stunning landscapes. From the dense forest below to the otherworldly peaks in the distance, this is a view you will remember forever. Next up is Fanal Forest, an enchanting place straight out of the fantasy novel. This ancient laurel forest, part of the UNESCO World Heritage Lorry Silver Forest, is known for its mystical atmosphere. The dense fog that often envelops the area gives the forest an almost magical feel, with twisted trees covered in moss, making it one of the most serene and unique spots on the island. Whether you're hiking through the forest or simply stopping to soak in the atmosphere, Fanal Forest offers a peaceful, almost otherworldly experience. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in Madeira's natural beauty. Our next location is Garganta Funda, one of Madeira's hidden gems. Located in the island's rugged north, Garganta Funda is a valley that features dramatic cliffs, dense vegetation, and cascading waterfalls. The landscape here is wild and untamed, making it a paradise for nature lovers and photographers. The valley is home to the stunning Garganta Funda waterfall, which plunges down into the deep gorge below. The sound of rushing water, combined with the raw beauty of the landscape, making this place feel like a slice of paradise. It's a peaceful escape, perfect for those who want to explore Madeira's natural wonders away from the crowds. Last but certainly not least, we have Lagoa do Vento, a stunning mountain lake nestled in the heart of Madeira's Lorry Silver Forest. The hike to this tranquil lake takes you through lush greenery, past streams, and along beautiful footpaths all the while surrounded by the incredible natural beauty of the island. When you reach Lagoa do Vento, you will be greeted with a serene atmosphere and breathtaking views. The lake, framed by towering trees and dense forest, is the perfect spot for a moment of reflection or simply to enjoy the peace and quiet of Madeira's natural surroundings. And there you have it, the top 6 must-visit places in Madeira. From the dramatic cliffs of Ponta de São Lourenço to the tranquil beauty of Lagoa do Vento, Madeira is a treasure trove of natural wonders just waiting to be explored. So if you're planning your next adventure, be sure to add these incredible locations to your itinerary. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more travel tips and hidden gems. Thanks for watching and see you on the next adventure.